Okay, this is Remy Storm Spider at your nose live. It is currently 81 degrees outside, high of 84 and a low of 71. Was there a bee on my head? Okay. Earlier this morning, it was kind of raining. It's not raining anymore, as you can tell. There is a small chance of thunderstorms later in the evening, but yeah, it's pretty small, so I'm going to assume it's not going to happen. Just my guess. Little gnats everywhere. Tomorrow, there's a 50% chance of storms, which blows my mind. Oh my God. Flies. Which blows my mind because in the predictions, it wasn't supposed to rain for like a while, so. But but yeah, the reason we've been kind of slacking is because one, we're busy, and two, nothing really happened. Literally, nothing happened. Yeah, that's about it for today. So now remember, weather never sleeps. Is this thing on? Okay. Alright, I gotta go. So bye.